Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
As you all know that we are celebrating previous week celebration. So today is our day 4. Today our topic is identification of recyclable and non-recyclable materials. So let's start. Are you ready? First of all, I'll ask the meaning of our today's topic. What do you mean by recycle? Anybody knows?
Answer is making new from old.
Next question. What do you mean by reuse?
The answer is use again.
Correct answer. Clap yourself. Now my next question is, what do you mean by What do you mean by reduce?
The answer is
Very good. Clap for yourself. Now let us start our activity. Okay? Now you have to identify which material we have to recycle, reuse and reduce. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Stand up. Come on, tell me from these material, which material we can recycle it. Come on, identify. Come near the board.
this is recycle. This.
Very good. Clap for her. Now, my next question is, stand up. Come on, identify which materials are reduced. Go near the board.
Reduce this and this.
Very good. Clap for him. Now, Harshada, stand up. Come near the board. Come on, identify the reuse materials.
Reuse materials.
Very good. Clap for him. Now, Sharanya, come stand up. Now, Sharanya, come stand up. Tell me which material we should not use. Identify from the board. Go.
This we should not use.
What is that?
We should not use plastic.
Very good. Clap for him. Part. Come and tell me what is the meaning of 3R. Now, Part, tell me what do you mean by 3R?
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Very good. Correct answer. Clap for him. Come on, Kaushik. Stand up. Come near to the board. Now tell me which material we can use.
Paper bag we can use.
Very good. Correct answer. Tell me the few examples of reuse.
Furniture clothes box.
Very good. Clap for. Come on, Jashmita. Come and stand near the board. Now tell me few examples of reduce.
Pure water. Plastic bags.
Very good. Correct answer. Ritvika, come and stand near the board.
metal,
Tell me the examples, few examples of recycled material.
metal, plastic, paper.
Very good. Clap for her.